Hi friends, in this video we will see how to write Hello World program in Java. So I am using Eclipse to write Java program. So let me create a new class file. So let me name it as hello hello world. Okay, and let me also make the Eclipse to write a main method for us. So don't worry about what is class, what is main method, what is public, what is static, okay, what is void, etc. So in upcoming lectures I will explain those. So this is the structure of a Java program. So each and every Java file consists of a class. Okay, so a Java file ends with an extension .java. Okay, so in this video I am going to explain you how to print hello world. So this will be your first Java program. Okay, so simply what we are going to do is we will write system dot out dot println. Okay, so this will print as the required string what we want to see on console, hello world. Okay, so whenever we are going to learn a first programming language, then the first thing which we will write is to print hello world. So I am following that tradition. So let me run this program. So I will explain you in upcoming lectures how this program executes and what is public and what is class and what is static and what is system, what is out, what is print. So these things will be covered in upcoming classes. We have just wrote a Java program that will print hello world. So thanks for watching this lecture. We'll see in upcoming lectures. Thank you.